Good morning guys, in front of me is Xiaomi 13 Lite, and let me show you how to use secret codes on this device. So at first you have to open your phone dialer, and let's start with the first code, which is *pound, *pound, 426, pound asterisk, pound asterisk. And here we've got FCM diagnostic mode, in which you can find events and status. So smoothly by tapping on this gray tab here, you can switch between both panels. Tap on more icon then and click on advanced view to see more. So that's it, let's go back. Another code that you can use is *pound, *pound, 225, pound asterisk, pound asterisk. And here we've got the calendar info, in which you can see all events saved to every calendar of yours. Let me go back then. And the last code that I want to share with you today, it's a pretty short one. It's *pound, 6 pound. And as you can see, this one will provide you with device information. So if you need to check your email number or maybe serial number, just enter this code and you don't have to scroll through all the settings to find it. You can smoothly enter the code and then it will be displayed. Tap on OK to exit. And that's it, that will be all. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.